Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. Today we're going to learn this character. This is 学, 学, 学. Now let's see what's this character originally like. It's like this. It means to learn. And then the traditional Chinese character is this. So the top part is different from the simplified character. And this is the development process of 学. So how to remember this Chinese character? We need to know how the ancient Chinese people invented this character at the first place. First, let's see the red part. It's like the multiplication sign in mathematics. So this part indicates the things that you learned. And then let's see the green part. They look like two hands. So it indicates the teacher is helping you. And then the blue part. It means the school. And then last, the pink part. Of course, it means the student. So the story of this Chinese character is the students are learning stuff at school with the help of their teacher. And we change the character. So this is the traditional Chinese character of 学. But it's still very difficult to write. So we change the top part. Like this. So this is the simplified Chinese character we need to learn. Okay, now it's time for us to write it. I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper so we can write it together. We're gonna write it for 3 times. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 strokes in this character. Now let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, last time. Now you can practice it by yourself. Next, let's see how to use this character. First usage of 学 is use it as a verb. It means to learn. For example, 学习, 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 学汉语, 学汉语, 学汉语. The second usage is use it as a noun. For example, 学校, 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 学费, 学费, 学费. Okay, so much for 学 today. I'll see you next time. Bye.